Do you know what kind of bread it is? This guy is making a wonderful bread here. Wow. Maybe we can call it a flying bread. Wonderful. It's peeling so fast. The flavor is pretty nice. It tastes well. I tried it last time. But I'm not going to try it today. The steam is very strong. Steam. It's moving fast. One egg is coming. I just put an egg on it. And some more ingredients. Chilies. Some flavors. Yeah, that lady is in charge of cutting it and packing it. So this couple just have this business by themselves. Okay, bye bye everyone.